Solo 401k plan loans. One of the attractive features of a solo 401k is the ability for a participant to borrow from their account balance. A participant can borrow up to 50% of their balance, not to exceed $50,000. To do this, loans must be an allowable feature under the plan. The steps in creating the loan is first determine the amount available based on the participant's account balance. Once they have the amount, the loan parameters must be determined. The term of the loan cannot exceed 5 years unless it is for the purchase of their principal residence, which could extend the loan to up to 30 years. The interest rate must be comparable to a loan available in the commercial market. The typical rate used by most employers is the federal prime rate plus 1%. However, an employer could choose whatever they see fit for their plan. With these terms determined, an amortization schedule must be created with a repayment structure that requires payments to be made at least quarterly. Funding the loan is based on the participant's available balance. The employer and participant will need to determine which contribution sources are available to pull from, that is, pre-tax deferrals, designated Roth, profit sharing, rollovers, and after-tax. Once they've determined how the loan is to be funded, the percentage taken from each source will determine how payments for the loan are paid back. As an example, a participant has a balance of $80,000, which consists of $20,000 in pre-tax deferrals, $20,000 in designated Roth, $20,000 in profit sharing, and $20,000 in rollovers. In this example, the maximum loan this participant can take is $40,000, which is 50% of their balance. If they choose to pull $10,000 from each source, the loan is being funded by 25% from each source. These percentages determine how the loan payments are paid back. If the payment is $1,000, it will need to be divided based on the percentage paid back to each source. In this case, $250, 25% of $1,000, will need to be paid back to each source for each payment. A robust 401k record-keeping system or platform usually offers a way to manage loans. It makes it easier to determine the available loan balance, create an amortization schedule, and how to fund the loan. Payments are also allocated back to the correct sources using these record-keeping systems or platforms like the one IRA Resources offers.